We're back today to do our sinking funds update for the month of September. Yay! I feel so behind on this because I have pulled the money to do my sinking funds forever ago, and because I was waiting because of all the changes, I hadn't recorded the videos. So I'm finally recording the videos, which means I finally get to do the cash stuffing for my sinking funds. So hi, I'm Mila Rose, and thanks for coming back to my channel. We do videos here about designing a life that you love and using budgeting and organizing and scheduling, cleaning, just finding a way to design the life that we want to live. And sinking funds is a major part of that for me. I have quite a lot of sinking funds, so I should really get started instead of talking quite so much. But I have my little container here where I keep all of my many envelopes. As you can see, I have quite a few. In fact, this is just going to be my cash stuffing part 1 because I have so many. So let's go ahead and get started. I pulled out just 20s and a 10, so I am definitely going to have to make change. I have a business budget that I always keep mentioning that I'm going to go ahead and share that one and record it, but I haven't done it yet, and there are a ton of ones over there, and I am really contemplating if I want to go and see if I can get change out of there, because I know I'm gonna need it. This is how much we have for, ooh, wait, I think I can make this work even for the first one. Okay, so parents' anniversary is our first one. It gets $3. So we're at 29, so that would give us 30, 31, 32 that we need to have total. So if I change out 10, do I have 10? I don't have 10, but I do have 9. So we need to have 31 total. So I need to put one more in there. So 32 total. 29, 30, 31, 32, 32. Which means I just put this back here and I have a little bit of change. We're making it work, y'all. We're making it work. Okay. Let's see if we can keep this up without having to go through and make change and do something really like wild. So that one's taken care of. And then we have Mother's and Father's Day. I just combo this one because I'm a little lazy. And Mother's and Father's Day gets $2. We have 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We're good there. So far so good. We'll see if we can keep this up with these birthdays where they have to get 3, and I can't decide. I guess I should pull up just a little bit more so you all can see a little bit more of what's going on. Okay, so we have Mother's Day. How much does she have? Hers feels very low. We're definitely gonna need change. All of these feel kind of low. So, ooh, except for my sister's. She doesn't have any 5s in hers. I've obviously gone in and cleared some of these out, which is great in theory, but not in practice, because I'm like, I need the monies. Where are the monies? So let me see who's got some ones that I can make some change for. There's some 5s there. That's nice. There's a lot of 5s there. I don't even know what this one is, but I'm going to trade out some of these 5s. At least 125, 10, 15, 20. I think this is from my singing bowls, I think. A pair. Everybody feels very thin. I'm like, where did all your ones go, y'all? Where did I put you? This one might be useful. Let's see. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. We'll trade. Well, I guess we'll just do the 5, huh? So 5, 6, 7, or woo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So trade that out for this one. Couple of ones there. See how far that gets us. I may go ahead and see if I can find some ones and one more and then keep it moving, because that should be enough to tide us over for a little bit. Okay. This one feels really thick, but that doesn't mean anything because it could just be thick with ooh, I think we've got some ones here. Okay. Great. Great, 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 great. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hold on, let me count this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. How much is in here? Oh, this isn't done yet. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, and there's a 10 in here. Ooh, I could probably trade this for a 20. Okay. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Now we're working with something. Okay. Ooh, and I might trade these out too. For a 20. Now we've got something, y'all. Now we've got something. Now we're rocking and rolling. All right, I will take this and put this back. And now we have some money and we can make some change. We can actually do the things that I need to do. So let me put these away. Let me get everything in order. 20s stay there. 5s are there. Put the 10s away. Ooh, you have 10s, y'all. We got change. It's like being your own little bank, okay? You make change for yourself. All right. So we need 3 for Mother's Day. There we go. And that leaves us with 24. Oh, for my mom's birthday, not Mother's Day. 24 for her. Dad should need 3 too. 1, 2, 3. 24. This is taken care of. We have for the sis, she gets 3 as well. She's at 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. She gets 3. Her birthday comes up in December, so that would be why hers is a little bit thicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to trade that out for sure. Okay, so there she goes. And she has 35, 36, 37, 37. Let me write that down so I don't forget, because you know that's my hardest one. 37. So they should have, yeah, 8. And 24 and 24. Good, there we go. We're doing good so far. Okay, it's going a lot faster than I thought it would because I easily found some change. Let's put this away now. And I made these envelopes myself. I think I found a pattern online, printed it out on the paper that I wanted, and then I was able to just make these envelopes. I then went and designed my own envelopes, which I only use for my business account, which I will record one day and show you all what that looks like. All right, let's get to our next section, which is 4th of July / Juneteenth, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Go ahead and pull out all of those. It's my Christmas and New Year's. 4th of July / Juneteenth had 18 last time. They get $2. So let's count, make sure we're right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and $2. That should leave us with 20. And honestly, I am gonna go ahead and just put a 20 in there. And then I can give myself change at a later time. So that is helpful. Thanksgiving gets 15. That's probably the last bit of change I'll need to make. So 15. $20. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 11, oh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. Oh, I should have put this in there. Oh, we were at 175. Good. Okay. 10 or 10. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 190. I am not going home for Thanksgiving. I told my parents, my dad was very upset, but I was like, how much was it? 90? 190? Yes, 190. I was like, it is 2 days. It's a long drive. I said, I'm just going to settle in my house. It was so nice not having to drive home for Thanksgiving last time because I was in quarantine. Well, I was staying home, social distancing, not in quarantine. And I was like, I think I'm about to make this a new thing. I'm going to just stay at my house for Thanksgiving and I'm going to come home for Christmas. That way I don't have to use my gas. I can actually relax for a little bit, like actually take a little time off and just like stay in. So that's my plan. So I don't know what I'm gonna start doing with all this money. Maybe I'll just keep racking it up and maybe I'll go somewhere for Thanksgiving sometime. So we'll see how that goes. Christmas should be at 115. I think it should be at 215. Yeah, that's what's wrong with that. That should be at 2 because I was like, that seems low. Okay, let's see. 50, okay. 60, 70, 80, 90. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 225, 235. Whew. What is my goal? Oh, 240. Oh, we're $5 away from hitting our goal for the year. Woohoo! So we're a little ahead. That's nice. So 235. Once we hit that 240, I will go ahead and just start working on the next one. I put $10 away for New Year's. I talk about this all the time. I just don't. If I'm gonna spend money on New Year's, I just find the money. I work it out because I just don't see a point in really putting all my money away like that. I don't know. I'm weird about it, I guess you could say. It's just not a thing I'm super interested in. It is what it is. So we've already got the money for this year. We've got the money for next year. And we're just going to keep racking it up and keep it going. So I don't know. New Year's just isn't super big for me. I don't know. Is New Year's super big for you? Is it super important for you? Do you guys like take long trips or do something really big with your family? I just be chilling. I be spending all my time honestly planning for the next year. And I've got some big goals for next year. I have big goals for this year, but it was all around house and paying off debt. So you all have been on that journey with me. But next year I have a goal that is me taking a big chance on 2 things that I'm very excited about. And I will be sharing more about that once we get in either late October or November. So I'll see when I end up getting that one done. But that is it. We are done with our first half of our sinking funds. We'll have to do the next half in our next video. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for going through the struggle with me. I appreciate you all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Let me know if you are planning on doing anything or trying to plan, because we never know what's going to happen with all this COVID stuff. But let me know if you're thinking of doing something for New Year's. Thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.